You cannot borrow calm only during crisis. It is not a loan we can take out when the storm arrives. Instead, it is a well we must dig, day by day, in the quiet moments of our ordinary lives. This well is deepened through simple, consistent practice. It begins with the breath. A slow, intentional inhale. A full, gentle exhale. This rhythm is your anchor, always available, returning you to the present. It is found in moments of quiet reflection, perhaps with a journal, giving your thoughts a place to land without judgment. It is cultivated through gentle movement, waking up the body with kindness. And it is nourished by connecting with your senses. Feel the warmth of a cup in your hands. Watch the morning light spill across the floor. Notice the subtle sounds around you. These are sensory anchors, pulling you back to the here and now. Building calm also means tending to our inner world. It requires emotional awareness. When a difficult feeling arises, try not to push it away. Simply name it. This is anxiety. This is sadness. Feel its presence in your body without needing to fix it. Then, with your breath, gently release your grip on it, allowing it to pass like a cloud in the sky. These foundations are built with micro habits, small bricks laid one at a time. Take 60 seconds to just breathe. Step away from your screen and look out a window. Create a simple evening ritual to reset your mind, signaling to your body that the day is complete. And remember, calm can be a shared resource, a kind word, a moment of shared silence, or simply offering your peaceful presence can create ripples of tranquility that extend beyond yourself, strengthening both you and those around you. Each small act of presence, each quiet breath, each moment of awareness is an investment. Daily calm prepares future strength. The peace you cultivate today becomes the resilience you draw upon tomorrow. Do not wait for the winds to howl. Practice calm before urgency arrives. Build your foundation now, in the stillness of this very moment.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.